So now I'm going to do 7 minus 2 times quantity 3x plus 2 equals 11. Let me draw my vertical line. Okay, so there's several things going on with this x that we're going to have to get rid of. I have to get rid of this 2, this 3, this minus -2 that is being multiplied by, and this 7. Now keep in mind the 3x plus 2 is in parentheses, and anything in parentheses we deal with last. So I need to deal with the 7 and the -2 there. So I need to, that -2 is actually -2 times, it's -2 times this whole quantity. So we would deal with that after we deal with the 7, because that's just an understood plus 7 there. So to get rid of it, I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. Okay. So that they cancel out over here on the left side. And I can bring down the -2 times 3x plus 2 equals 11 minus 7 is 4. Okay, again, I'm going to deal with the parentheses last. Now you could distribute here, but I think it's easier to go ahead and get rid of that -2 that's being multiplied. So since it's times -2, I can do the opposite, which would be to divide by -2. Make sure you do it on both sides. So that these cancel, and you're left with 3x plus 2, which I can take out of parentheses now because there's nothing outside of the parentheses anymore, equals 4 divided by -2 is -2. All right, now I have the 3 times the x and the plus 2. And again, you want to deal with addition before multiplication. So we're going to get rid of that 2 first. Let me rewrite what I have up here. I've got 3x plus 2 equals -2. So to get rid of that plus 2, I would subtract it. So -2 from both sides. Okay, so that these cancel out, and we're left with the 3x equals, well, -2 minus 2 is -4. And now the last thing we need to get rid of is that 3. It's 3 times x, so the opposite would be to divide by 3. Make sure you do it to both sides. Those cancel out. We get x equals -4/3, which I would leave that way because it doesn't reduce, and then make sure to go back and check it. All right, you guys have a great day.